Start. Hi friends, today in this video we'll learn about how to treat shoulder pain, frozen shoulder, by the help of acupressure. In this video we'll learn the specific points when they are pressed, when we apply magnets on them, when we stimulate them. They help to relieve the shoulder pain even if a person is diabetic, and it also helps to treat frozen shoulder. In this we have to take care, if the pain is in the right shoulder, then we have to give the treatment on the right side, and if the problem is on the left shoulder, we have to give the treatment on the left side. If the problem is in both the shoulder, then we have to give the treatment on both hand. What we have to do, we need to use the index finger as well as the ring finger for the treatment of shoulder. If there is general pain, if right now anybody is having pain in the shoulder, while watching this video you can try it now and you can feel the difference. If the pain is this side, then you have to take this index finger and the lowest joint you have to take. You have to just twist this finger like this, or you can take some cream or oil and you can massage this joint. And if the pain is in this shoulder, you will take this index finger and you will start twisting it, start pressing it, and or you can take some cream or oil and you can give a massage on this joint of the index finger. Immediately within 2 minutes of massage, you will start feeling the result in your shoulder. If the pain is there, you will start feeling the relief. Even if the shoulder is frozen, you will see that the movement gets free. Now what you need to apply over there, you take some these seeds, methi seeds, you just put them in a row on a table and take a small doctor tape like this. Take a small doctor tape, and when you put on the seeds, all the seeds will come on this tape, and you have to apply this seeds over this joint for the shoulder. And if the pain is in the shoulder, then you have to apply the same methi seeds on this index finger, the lowest joint which is attached with the palm. Now if the problem is chronic, if there is diabetes even, and if there is frozen shoulder, extreme frozen shoulder, and you cannot raise it, then there are 5 points on ring finger which are really fantastic to treat frozen shoulder. Now which are those points? You mark them very clearly. Take one pen, and if we are taking this shoulder, then this ring finger has to be used. In this ring finger, one point will come here below this joint and towards the little finger, and the second point will come on this joint and on the corner. So 2 points are here, and the third point is also right in front, and see this point comes towards middle finger and above this joint. And now when we go towards the back side of the ring finger, then 2 points come on the back side. One is again below this joint and on the corner from the middle finger. You see, this is the middle finger and this is on the corner on the ring finger and just below this joint. And the other point, the last point, is this above this joint and slightly towards the small finger, not in the middle, slightly towards the small finger. So 2 points are in the back of the ring finger and 3 points in the front of the ring finger. Same points has to be marked on the other ring finger. If this shoulder is painful, you have to use this hand and the ring finger. Now see again, the first point comes here below the joint towards the small finger. The second point comes here in the corner exactly on the middle joint, and the third point towards the middle finger slightly above the middle joint. 2 points will come on the back side, 1 point slightly below the upper joint. This is the upper joint, slightly below towards the middle finger, and 1 point will come slightly above this joint and towards the ring finger, slightly towards the ring finger. This. So these are the 5 points on the ring finger which needed to be stimulated, and treatment by using magnet has to be given on it. Now see, this is the machine. You have to activate each point for 15 to 20 seconds. The machine you have to use on the 1 number, not on the 2 number. 1 number vibrations are enough to treat the frozen shoulder. This point has to be activated, this has to be activated, this has to be activated, and 2 points on the back has to be activated. And we have to apply 5 magnets. The magnets which we will use are the ball magnet. One side of the magnet is white and another is yellow. So what I am going to tell you now, you have to note down it very clearly. Like, we'll cut small tapes, 3 for the front and 2 for the back. So 3 for the front first we are using. The first point, which is at the lowest area below this joint, will use the yellow magnet visible. When we apply the magnet, the yellow side of the magnet will be visible, and then just above it we'll use the white magnet. Now see, the white magnet is visible, the point which is coming on the middle joint, and just above it we have to use the yellow magnet which will come towards the middle finger. Now 2 points on the back side, and these 2 points, again one yellow and one white. The point which is towards the middle finger will use the yellow magnet over here, and the point which is above this joint will use the white magnet here. We have to apply these magnets for 6 to 12 hours to treat the frozen shoulder, shoulder pain due to any cause. If the pain is on the another shoulder, these 5 points has to be applied on the other side. 1, 2, 3 points will come in front. In 3 points we'll use 2 yellow magnets. The first point is the lower than this joint, yellow magnet. The second point right on this joint, middle joint, will use the white magnet, and the third point above this joint towards the middle finger will use the yellow magnet. So these 3 points will come in front, and then we have to use 2 points in the back side. One magnet just below this joint will use yellow, and the point which is above this joint we will use white. So there are 5 points. You can see the white and yellow back side, and when we come in front, then this is yellow, this is white, and this is yellow. So these 5 points, if applied any side, like if you have the pain this side, you have to use this joint and you have to apply methi seeds over here and the 5 magnets on the ring finger as I told you. And similarly, if the problem is on this shoulder, then you have to apply methi on this joint and you will apply 5 magnets on the ring finger as has been described earlier. So friends, if there is pain, then you can get rid of the shoulder pain maximum of 3 to 7 days. And if there is shoulder frozen problem, then you can use it for at least 1 month. Apply these seeds and magnets at least 6 hours a day. You can apply these magnets after the dinner and you can remove these magnets and seeds when you get up in the morning. So for today, with this information, I'll take a leave. We'll meet in the next video with more information. Till then, bye bye, namaskar.